Hi. In this video, we are going to set up Gemini in your PC. We will start with the initial part of the process in which we will create an account on Gemini. And after that, we will see all the available options in Gemini. And then we will run some prompts on Gemini and we'll see how well it performs. So first of all, we will open Gemini. For this, we will go to our web browser and here I will search Gemini. Now here you can sign in or sign up to your account. But note one thing, for using Gemini, you need personal Gmail account. If you will log in using your work account, then it won't work and give you a message that Gemini isn't supported for this account. And for using Gemini, you also need to be over 18 years old. If you are under 18 years old, you cannot use Gemini. So if you are using Gemini for the first time, you will see a screen like this. Here you have to click on sign in. Here you have to enter your personal Gmail account. If you don't have any account, from here you can create account for my personal use. And here you have to put your name, then date of birth. So after filling up all the details and log into your account, you will see a screen like this. Now here on the screen we can see certain things. Like here on the middle we have some examples. Like write a product description for new type of toothbrush. If I click here, then you can see it has automatically generated a prompt for me. I am selling a new type of toothbrush and need a description that will help me sell it. Here are the details. It's electric solar powered and has 2-minute cleaning cycle. So for now, I will delete it. And if you see on the left, we have this expand menu option. Then we have new chat, help, activity and setting. If I expand this menu, here you can see your chat history. If I click on new chat, then I can start a new chat. Then under this help option, we have privacy hub, updates, help, FAQs, and about Gemini Advance. Gemini Advance is paid version of Gemini. So from here, you can see that currently we are using Gemini. If I click on this drop down, here you can see the Gemini Advance. And if I click on this upgrade option, then you can see the pricings. So this is the pricing of Gemini Advance, 1950 rupees per month. But currently they are giving 2-month free trial. From here you can start free trial and you have to fill your card details for this free trial. So let's get back to Gemini. And if I click on activity, here are my activities on Gemini. And then this setting option. If I click here, you can see the first option is extensions. If I click here, here you can see these extensions. Here is written that Gemini extensions help you to bring it all together. Go from tons of tabs to one conversation. Gemini can now access from new source starting with maps, YouTube, flights and hotels. You can bring your ideas to life easier and faster. So with these extensions you can do several things, like you can find a video on YouTube, you can search for hotels, flights, and from this Google Workspace you can connect to Gmail Drive and Docs. Summarize, find and get quick answers from your own content to fuel your personal journey. And under this setting, the second option is your public links. If I click here, from here you can share your link to your friend or colleague or to anyone you want to share. You can share chats or an individual prompt and response. Once you do, you can manage public links that you have created and see their details here. Then there is dark theme and real-time responses. If I turn this off, then it won't show me real-time response. So I will turn it on. Now I'm going to pick up this example. From here you can edit this prompt. You can write instead of toothbrush anything else. But I'm going to submit as it is. So let's submit this prompt. And here you can see it has given me the response that here is a description to help you sell your innovative toothbrush. This is maybe the headline. Brush smarter, not harder. Introducing the solar powered electric toothbrush. Then there's the specifications, effortless cleaning, electric power, built-in timer. sustainable and convenient, and so on. If I click here on this show drafts, you can see here Gemini has generated 3 drafts. So currently we are on the first draft. If I click here, we can see the second draft. Here the headline is brush smarter, not harder. Here the headline is same, but the content is a little bit different. If I click on draft third, so here is another draft. From this button, you can regenerate these drafts. So if I click here, you can see the drafts are regenerating. And if you want to ask more questions or want to make some changes, you can write further prompt here and submit the prompt. Then you will get your response. If you want to start a new chat, then you can click on this new chat. And from this listen option, you can actually listen this product description. So for example, so if I click on listen,
Here's a description to help you sell your innovative toothbrush. Brush smarter, not harder. Introducing the solar-powered electric toothbrush.
so you can see you can actually listen to your drafts by clicking on this option. And below here, you can give feedback like if you love this response, you can like this response. You can dislike the response. You can modify responses. If I click here, you can see there are several options like shorter, longer, simpler, more casual, and more professional. So choose the option and modify your response. If I click here, share and export, then you can see here is the option of share, export to docs, and draft in Gmail. By sharing, you can create public link and then you can copy this link and share this link to anyone. And you can see this link by clicking your public links. Like here's my link, and I can copy and share the link. So I'll remove this link. And here is the option of double check your response. You can actually check your response on Google. And here are 2 options like copy and report legal issues. Then below, here are related topics like electric solar powered brush, what is the best battery powered electric toothbrush, and which is better electric or battery operated toothbrush. So you can search these results if you want to do some more research. For writing new prompt, I will click on new chat and here I will write my prompt, write a movie. So here I have written that write a movie script on time travel. So let's see, can Gemini do this? Let's submit this prompt. So you can see that Gemini has actually created a sample movie script, a movie script with their fictional characters. So this script is not copied, it is made by Gemini. This is Chrono Crash. If I see draft 2, this is past imperfect. And here are the characters and their dialogues. Then Ripple. Now I will go to new chat. Here I have written that explain me the concept of artificial intelligence as I am a child. If I submit this prompt, and here in the response, you can see it is actually explaining me the topic of artificial intelligence as I am a child. Like imagine you have a super cool toy robot. This robot isn't remote control, but instead it can learn and act on its own. That's kind of like artificial intelligence or AI. And if I write here as a professional and submit this prompt, and here you can see that it has changed the tone and wordings, everything. So now it is explaining me as I am a professional. Artificial intelligence can be understood as a branch of computer science concerned with creating intelligent agents and so on. So that's all in this video. In this video, we have created personal Gmail account and set up Gemini. So use Gemini, do experiments with Gemini. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.